Mangal Maitri students, let us discuss some more advanced features of database management systems in queries form. First of all, let us state MySQL. First of all, I will start my MySQL. The password is root. The name of the database was use 12 ASA Python. The name of the database was 12th ASA Python. The name of the table within this particular database was student. So select star from student. This is displaying the data within the table student. Students, we have discussed a lot of queries. Today I am going to discuss how to add a column in the table. How to add a new column in the table. First of all, before add the column in the table, I want to describe the structure of the table by using the command describe student. Describe student. Now within this table there are columns SR number, stud name, stud age, stud address, stud stream, stud sex. These are the total 6 columns, and now I want to add one more column in this table which is known as salary, stud salary. Suppose the name of the column is stud salary. I want to add within this particular data base, within this particular table student. I want to change. I have to change the structure of the table, and as I already told you, if you want to change the structure of the table, you will use alter table command. As I did in primary key, when I add the primary key in the table, I use the query statement alter table student add प्राइमरी की, और जिस कॉलम को मुझे प्राइमरी की क्रिएट करना था वहां पर मैंने प्राइमरी की क्रिएट की थी. Now again I want to change the structure of the table, and in the form of the structure of the table I want to add a new column in the table student. The name of the column is stud salary. So I have to change the structure of the table. I will use the command alter table. Alter table. Table name is student add stud salary, and take it float. Float means I have used the data type is float. Float means it may be a decimal value also. It may consider a decimal value also, like 50,000.38, 22,700.67, etc. So I have used the data type float for the particular column stud salary. Now I press the enter. Query OK. 5 rows affected. Dear students, now the name of column stud salary has been added in this particular table student. Again I will use the command describe student. So you can see over here that a particular column stud salary has been added within this particular table. This stud salary column have no data. It is completely empty for all the record. As you can see over here, select star from student. As you can see over here, select star from student. Stud salary is null for all the student. Stud salary is null for all of the student. So we have discussed how to add a particular column in the table. We use the alter table command. I have to write alter table, the name of the column which you want to add is stud salary, the data type of column, and when you press enter, that particular column will be added in your table. Now this column stud salary has null for all students. Now students, insert the value for this student salary column. And how to insert? I have not to insert the value because row is already insert in the table student. I have to update. We have to use the update command. Update student set student salary is equal to 5678 6578, where SR number is equal to 2012. When I press enter, query OK, one row affected. By using this query, I have updated the student salary of SR number 2012, whose name is Kamlesh, as 6,578 rupees. Right, 6,578 rupees. And keep remember always, this student salary is updated for only SR number 2012. And you can check over here that select star from student. Select star from student. Select star from student. You can check that 6578. This record has been updated for SR number 2012. And simultaneously you can update all of the record like that. Again, student salary 6578, change this is 8790, SR number is 7689. Again SR number is, सैलरी आप लिख सकते हैं 8124, SR नंबर इज 8012. अगेन सैलरी आप लिख सकते हैं 12,000, SR नंबर इज 8907. अगेन SR सैलरी आप चेंज कर सकते हैं 10,000, SR नंबर 9134. Now students, I have updated all of the record. I have updated all of the corresponding record to the corresponding SR number. Now I want to show my table. I want to show the data of a particular column which I have been updated in my table student. I will use again the query select star from student. When you press enter, you can check over here that your whole record has been updated and your student salary has been also added in your the particular student salary column. Right students? Now again I am just going to repeat. First of all, to add a new column, we will use the command alter table, the name of the column and also the data type of a column. Now when you will add the column, the whole value will be null in that particular columns. And to update the particular column, you have to use update command. Update टेबल का नाम, set उस पर्टिकुलर कॉलम का नाम और जो आप उसको देना चाहते हो वैल्यू सैलरीज की वो, एंड लेकिन किसी पर्टिकुलर रो का रिकॉर्ड अपडेट करना है तो उस पर्टिकुलर रो का आपको एसआर नंबर भी मेंशन करना पड़ेगा. अगेन लेट अस मूव द नेक्स्ट क्वेरी. सपोज I have to find the total salary of all the student within the school. Suppose I have to find the total salary of the student within the table student. So which query I will use? Select. I will use a function sum. I will use a function sum. Sum is a function which is used to calculate the total value. Sum stood salary. within this sum function you have to pass the name of a particular column as it is mentioned in the table. In the table it is mentioned stud underscore salary, so you have to pass stud underscore salary within this sum function. From table का नाम student, and dear student, the total salary of the student 45,492. Again, suppose you have to find the maximum salary of a student within the table. Which student have maximum salary? I will use the query select max. Right? So maximum salary is 12,000. Again, suppose you have to find the minimum salary within the table. You have to use the query mean. Exactly. So minimum salary is 6,578. Again, you have to find the average salary of all the student within the table. Student, you will use the query AVJ, stud salary. So average salary is 9,098 rupees for passage something. So we can operate a multiple functions on a particular column. तो आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं डियर स्टूडेंट्स. हैव ए नाइस डे. थैंक यू. कीप इट अप.